What's up, you guys? What's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So a lot of activities happen in the house today, and I'm going to give you guys a rundown of every single thing, so you have to watch to the end of this video. But I want to start off by saying a massive congratulations to Cece, Mercy and Ilebaye, who have now become finalists, and they've joined Cross into the final week, and I'm so happy for them, especially for Ilebaye, because hers did not come easy at all. If you watch the head of house games today, I'm sure you understand what I'm talking about. It was bloody. At a point I was crying, I was praying for her and Angel. Regardless of who won it, I would have been happy. So let's take it from the top, starting with the head of house games. They all went into the arena as usual, and Big Brother told them that all they had to do was stand on that board, just the way you see Ilebaye position, that they have to stand there for as long as possible. And as much as it looks easy, it wasn't easy at all. The total time was 3 hours, but you can stop at any time that you feel tired. So they kept on going and going. The first person that dropped was Mercy after 30 minutes, and I was not even mad at her or anything, because that thing is so difficult, and they were not allowed to wear socks or slippers or shoes, nothing. You have to stand with your bare feet. Imagine how painful it was for them. Mercy dropped, and some of the housemates were dropping one after the other. Suma was in so much pain. Cross actually really annoyed me, because this guy already has immunity. If you guys remember, he's the first housemate that got to the finals, but yes, he was standing there holding it. And even Venita and Cece and the rest of the house, they were telling him that, Cross, why are you being selfish? Why are you actually playing this game? Because if you win it, the immunity would go to waste. Nobody else will get it. So why can't you step down so other people will have a fair chance? And Cross was like, oh, no, I just want to see how far I can go. I just want to test my strength. Oh my god, I was so irritated. But at last he came down, and more housemates kept coming down until it was between Pere, Ilebaye and Angel. And then I was thinking that Pere was going to win, because he was very confident, he was bragging. Even some of the housemates, they were also confident that Pere would win based on his military background, you know. But after a while, he told Cross to bring him down, and I was like, after all those mouths that you've been making, sir, how come? Anyway, after he came down, Big Brother told them to remove one of their legs, and afterwards he told them to remove their right hand. So they were just holding on with one hand and one leg, and it wasn't up to 5 minutes. Angel just gave up, and automatically Ilebaye became the winner, and she could not even walk. Cross had to carry her. I was so happy. I was screaming, I was shouting. Regardless of who won, between her and Angel, I would have had the same reaction. I was rooting for the both of them, to be very honest. It is not easy to stand on that board for 2 hours plus. We have to give these girls their flowers. They really did great. So by virtue of winning the head of house, Ilebaye had immunity, and automatically she became the second housemate to get to the finals along with Cross. And Cross gained immunity by buying it from the shopping cart some days ago for 4,000 money point coins. He could buy immunity, but he did not have up to that, so he had to do transaction with some of the guys, and he paid 4 million naira to get enough coins to buy that immunity. So that's how Cross got to the finals, and Ilebaye became the second housemate to get to the finals. Now on to the black envelope challenge. So today's one was a bit different, because they had it in the arena and not inside the house as usual. Big Brother littered the arena with a lot of clothes, and he gave them 12 minutes to search the whole place for the envelopes. There were 5 envelopes, and 5 housemates found one each after the search. Cece found one, Pere found one, Adekunle found, Soma and Angel, but only Cece out of the 5 of them got the one with immunity. The rest of them just got frivolities like kuli, groundnuts, chocolate. So that's how Cece became a finalist tonight. I am so happy for her. Once again, congratulations to Cece. Now on to the nomination challenge. So one after the other, the housemates were summoned into the diary room to mention 2 people for nomination and to state their reasons. And starting with Cece, she nominated Adekunle and Soma. And for Soma, she said it was a petty reason because he voted her out during their HFM tax. And for Adekunle, she said that Adekunle is always throwing shades at her, and that when the whole love letter saga happened last week, that Adekunle knew that she was not the one that wrote the letter, but yet he was running with the narrative. So those were her reasons. And the next housemate was Adekunle. He nominated Angel and Soma, and he said because he feels like they are 2 strong people, that Angel is very brilliant and Soma is very energetic in tax and the rest, so he just feels like the 2 of them should be up. And the next housemate was Pere. He nominated Adekunle and Venita, and he said he does not have a reason name that they just come to mind. And the next was Angel. She also nominated Adekunle and Venita. She said she feels they are going to nominate her, so she's basically just returning the favor. And the next person was Cross, and he nominated Angel and Soma. And you guys, when he mentioned Angel's name, I gagged, because this same Cross is the person that Angel and Messi were talking about some weeks ago, that they were never going to nominate Cross regardless of what happens. Yet this same person has nominated them on different occasions. Anyway, for Angel's own, he said because Angel did not want him to get the immunity, and for Soma it's because he has not been up aside from the general nominations. And then the next person was Venita. She nominated Pere and Soma. For Soma, it's the same reason that Cross gave. He has not been up aside from general nominations. And as for Pere, she first gave many explanations, but the bottom line is that she sees him as a competition and it's no personal vendetta or whatsoever. And the next person was Soma, who was wasting so much time in the diary room, but he nominated Messi and Pere. For Messi, because she's an ex-winner, and for Pere, he sees him as a competition, no bad blood. And the next person was Messi, and her nominations were quite emotional because she burst into tears at some point. She nominated Venita and Angel. For Venita, she said she recently found out that Venita has nominated her twice before. And for Angel, it is because before they started the nomination process, Pere went to her and Pere told her that Angel told him to put Messi up, and that really broke her heart because Angel is her girl. And even when Angel was up some weeks ago, that she was going close to Angel, so her fans would take the cue and vote for Angel. And yet this is how Angel repays her, that she feels very bad that her friends would do this to her, that these are the two people that she has made up her mind that she would never ever put them up for eviction until the show ends. And for being honest, Messi has been saying that repeatedly and she has stuck by her words. She has never ever nominated Venita or Angel prior to today. She has never, although Angel has never nominated her as well, but she going to Pere to tell Pere to put Messi up, that is very sneaky and it is a betrayal in itself. And Angel particularly has had a very funny pattern of nomination this season. She has been very sneaky and very dubious. Let me give you guys instances. She's my girl, yes, but I'm going to point out her errors. She did the same thing to Doyin. She and Doyin, they made a pact that they were never going to nominate each other. And what did Angel do? She went into the diary room and she nominated Doyin. She did the same thing to Neo. She did the same thing to Ilebaye. By the way, Ilebaye paid her back today. She did the same thing to those people. I don't have a problem with her nominating anybody she wants to nominate. Feel free to do that. But what I do not like is you going to meet the person and then you will make a deal with the person. You will promise the person that you would never nominate them. The person will also give you the award. And then you will go inside the diary room and you will mention that same person. What kind of person are you? And in the end, she ended up shooting herself in the foot, if we're being honest, because think about it. If she did not tell Pere to put Messi up, now that she's up for possible eviction, Messi's fans would have voted for her again and she will most likely get to the finals. Even if she does not win the show, you getting to the final alone is a bragging right. But right now, the chances of her making it is very slim because she has betrayed all her reliable friends that could have come through for her now that she needs it the most. She and Soma are up against the likes of Adekunle and Pere that are heavyweights in the game. I don't think they stand a chance against those people. I don't wish them bad. She's my girl forever. I like Soma as well, but in the grand scheme of things, I don't think they can knock out those two. But let's see how Sunday goes. Fingers crossed. Messi also said that she will cut them off after the show. That's Venita and Angel. That the way they've behaved towards her, it's not the way that real friends should behave. And the last person is our new HOH, Ilebaye, and she nominated Angel and Soma, like I mentioned to you guys earlier. Reasons because last week they played her. They went to her. They told her that, oh, don't nominate us. We would never nominate you. And they ended up nominating her, the both of them. So she just paid them back in their own coin. So after the nomination process was complete, aside from the 3 finalists and Messi, the rest of the house, they were all up for possible eviction. And you guys, in case you're wondering why Messi isn't up, this is because Messi got only 1 nomination, and that is from Soma. The rest of them, they got 2, some got 3, but Messi got only 1, meaning she is now a finalist. Immediately, Big Brother told her to stand up and he congratulated her on becoming another finalist. Messi was happy, like she went gaga. She was shouting for joy. And me in my house, I was so happy for Mercy. I was celebrating with her. I am so happy for her. Congratulations to Mercy. She has joined the likes of Ilebaye, Cece, and CRUMBS. We now have 4 finalists. So the people that are up for possible eviction right now are Adekunle, Angel, Perez, Suma, and Venita. So let me know in the comment section who you think would be joining our 4 finalists. But most importantly, do you think Big Brother is going to do a top 5, or he's just going to stick to the last 2 seasons and do a top 6? Let me know all your thoughts in the comment section about everything else that happened. And out of excitement to tell you guys everything that happened today, I forgot to tell you guys Ilebaye's choice of BFFs. She actually chose the 4 ladies that are currently in the house aside herself. Remember, there are 5 ladies and 4 guys right now, so she chose 4 ladies. It is going to be a ladies affair in the house. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you've not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like my videos, share my videos, turn on your post notifications so you'll be the first to get alerted whenever I post a new video. Thank you guys so much again for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.